Here we go, guys. Behind this door is warehouse number 2 that I keep telling you about. This place is filled with stuff. I'm going to click the light and you'll start to see it. Everywhere, right to the door. There's the overhead door. 16-foot tall door. There's literally stuff here everywhere. Every inch is filled. Things are piled on top of things, piled on top of more things. Ceiling up there in the back is 22 feet high. Boxes and boxes and boxes. Half of this stuff is for sale. Half of this stuff is scrap. Half of this stuff, I don't even know what it is. There's boxes in here, 26-foot long box truckloads that I've brought here. And I have never even opened the boxes yet. This is about 2,000 square feet. Of stuff. And it just keeps on going. There's antique bed frames. There's all antique furniture in here. That's 18 feet high up there, that pile. Bicycles. Literally filled to the ceiling. There's actually, believe it or not, there's actually a lot of really good stuff in here. I've sold a ton of stuff out of here. But then I got busy with other things. And I had literally no time to come here. Let me go up this ladder. We'll look down from the top. There you go. That's what 2,000 square feet looks like. From me to that door up in the front is about 60 feet. Like I said many times, I have no shortage of stuff to sell or go through. Just wanted to give you guys just a little look at another one of my locations. I still got a few more places I got to show you that are just as full as this. This is just a look from the other side. Hey, if you guys see something you want, it's all for sale. Comment below, let me know. I'll dig it out, I'll find it, I'll sell it to you. Trick is, I just got to get it out. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share it. Tell your friends about it. Hit the bell. I'll make some more videos.